What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. It's Princess Lene, and today I'm going to be bringing you guys along with me on my wash day routine. Not necessarily how I wash, but how I prep my hair to get it ready to blow dry, and how I blow dry my hair with my new REVAIR blow dryer. So if you would like to see, just stay tuned. So first, you just see me sectioning off my hair and detangling it. Right now, I still have conditioner in my hair, and I am detangling it in small sections. By the end of me detangling my hair, I will have split my hair into 8 sections. So 4 sections, and then splitting the 4 sections in half into, two sections. And I detangled my hair with conditioner in it, and it made the process so much easier. And then I just rinsed the conditioner out while in the twist, and then I got ready to start blow drying my hair. So this is heat protected, just so you know. In this video, you guys are also going to be seeing how I trim my ends. I'm going to just let y'all know right now, this was the first time me trimming my ends, so please don't come for me in the comments, please. Because I really didn't know what I was doing, because I usually just go to somebody, but hence being in Germany, I was just like, I'm going to just have to figure it out how to do it myself. So I bought me some scissors off Amazon, some hair cutting scissors, and go to work. I'm weak. But when it comes to the blow dryer, so I really do like the REVAIR. Like, it is way better than the other blow dryer that I have with a comb attachment, because it doesn't snag and tug on my hair. It's like way less shedding. But one thing that I have noticed about the REVAIR, you have to freaking use small sections. My hair is very thick, and I tried to put one whole big section into the REVAIR, and it literally turned off on me. Like, it was like, no baby. It said, no baby. I was like, dang, like, what's going on? I thought I broke it, but I just had too much hair in it. So I had to do smaller sections. But that's one thing for the thicker hair girls. If you have thick hair, just use smaller sections and you'll be fine. And as for getting to the roots, you want to use smaller sections if you want to make sure that you're getting your roots, like, blow dried out. But overall, I really enjoyed using this REVAIR blow dryer. And I also use it for my daughter, and it makes blow drying for her so much easy too. Even though she's scared of like the sound or whatever, like, I could literally blow dry her hair in like 20 minutes and we'd be good. But as for me cutting my hair, like, I really be getting scissor happy. So I was like, let me stop, because something about a fresh cut just be feeling good. And the shorter I was getting, I was just like, okay, I'm going to keep cutting. But I had to stop, because I was like, let me keep my little length. But I like how straight the blow dryer got my hair. Like, it wasn't bone straight or anything, but like, it's not supposed to be blown straight. It's supposed to be a blow dry, And that's exactly what it gave. It was giving what it's supposed to give, period. And Let me know in the comments how y'all think my hair turned out. Like, I mean, y'all don't get to see the full blow dry because I did end up putting it in braiding the sections just to make it easier for myself. Bless you, honey. But I lost my train of thought, LOL. But yeah, let me know how you think the blow dryer worked on my hair in the comments. This process overall, it took, I would say, about an hour because I did wash my hair, then I conditioned it, then I detangled it, then I rinsed out the conditioner, and then I started blow drying, and then I was cutting my hair as well, trimming my hair. So it was kind of a lengthy process, especially with the amount of hair I have. But overall, I feel like it cut down my time dramatically. Like, usually it would take me about, let me think, 2, 3, 4, a long time to do my hair. And it only took about, say, an hour and a half to just get the blow drying process out of the way and the trim, which is really good for me. Y'all see how long my hair is? Let me know in the comments what type of hair content y'all want to see. Like, do y'all want to see more of me blowing out my hair? Do you want to see like do y'all want to see styles? Do y'all just want to see me do my hair? Like, let me know in the comments. But I'm not gonna keep rambling on in this video. Y'all can just watch what's going on and let me know what y'all like. Well, let me know what y'all don't like, you know. All right.